Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. For my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for all your support. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified to my new upload video. So guys, into this video I have a Hermes Rose blush unboxing. I just got this last week and I'm so busy at work, guys. I'm so tired to making this video. I'm gonna do swatch, also a try on my cheek. And yeah, this is Pommette. I choose the Pommette because I have a medium skin, and they have like 8 shades of blush on. You can choose, guys. They're all beautiful shades, and also I will do a first impression with this one. I was actually asked on Instagram about this, that if it's worth it to have, and some people are said no, some said yes. But for me, for myself, to be honest with you, for the price, I don't really want it. But for the packaging, I see this one on the YouTube that they were having these swatches and the packaging, guys. Oh my god, I said to myself, you know what, it's better get it, because I'm still thinking about it for this item. So this is the item, guys, and they also give me a samples. Oh, that's nice. Let's see in here. I always since the Hermes here, it's from Manchester, and it's quite far from our, I don't know how to drive, guys, so just wait for my hubby to give me a ride. So this is a sample of a perfume. Yeah, they give me 2 sample in here, which is nice. Thank you, Hermes. You guys are the best. They always send me or give me, sometimes if I go to store, they always give me a sample of some perfume. So there she is. This is the Rose Hermes Silky Blush Powder. So I cannot wait to see the actual packaging of this, because if the packaging is not really worth it at this price, I will be disappointed. But we'll see, guys. And also it has a refill. I was thinking getting a refill, and I said like, oh my god, that's why I want to get that, because of the packaging. And I'm also why I purchased this one, because if the item is finished, I can use as a compact mirror, since this is a, look at that, guys, look at that. Ah, look at this. It is so pretty, and it's very light, very lightweight. The top is plastic. This is the shade that I have, Rose Hermes Pommette. This is number 32. And yeah, the iconic Hermes stamp. And see, it is really like a plastic, guys. And the website, by the way, on the website, it doesn't look like, it looks so fancy. I like the gold and the white. It's so clean, and you know, it's very, very, very light. And this is the inside. I will show you guys. There you go, guys. That is, they have Hermes Paris. And let's do swatch for you guys. Swatch over here. It doesn't show much, but it has in here. Look at how pinky it is. I don't know if you can see, guys. It's just very light pink of this item. It's really beautiful. I don't have anything blush on my face, as you can see. I don't also put a bronzer or contour. I have this brush. Hold on, guys, because I'm gonna use, it comes with this like a cover. It's really nice that it's really slim and compact. It's very perfect for a put in your even the small bags. It very fit in here, and you just put something in there just to if ever's empty and you want to refill it. It's nice. Okay, let's do. Oh, see that it's powdery and I just tap like that, but it's right here already. It seems like get more, so I don't want to like too much for this. Oh my god, I'm really glad that I get this color instead of no way. They have also no weight or this, but no weight, it's more like a darker shade. But see how beautiful the pink it is. Oh my god, it's this beautiful pink color. I do have, I think, similar like this from Dior. I'm not. Now I'm smelling it. It has smells. It has scent. It smells good. Look at that, guys. I didn't do operate to put too much. You don't have to like swab a lot. You just tap it. It's sometimes I don't actually use a brush when I'm putting my blush on. I use a sponge because I just dab. But I think this one is better with a brush. What do you think, guys? It is suit me. The Pommette is way better. I think I picked up good, beautiful shades. Look at that, so gorgeous color. I'm really glad. And for my first impression with this, I love it. The packaging on top of it is like a plastic, but it doesn't look like very cheap at all. It looks so you know, nice. I always want to have something from Hermes, and I have it 2 lipstick. I don't think I will get another lipstick from them, and probably I just buy a refill for this, because to be honest with you, this is really worth to have. And it smells, guys, it smells like baby powder. Yes, that's how it smell for. If you have this baby powder, that's how it smell with this blush on. And it's, yeah, and for others in there, people think it's not worth it. For me, it's worth it, I think, especially from Hermes. I know it's quite pricey for this, but like I said, if you finish the product, you can use this one as a very slim and fit on your mini bag. I wish I got my mini bags in here somewhere, but I don't have. It's all the table around there. Yeah, and it comes a mirror. It's so worth it to have. I really love it. I know, like I said, some people doesn't like this one. It's because of the price. I know Hermes is always too price. There are a few other stuff in there as well, like Chanel. I don't think Chanel is the same price with this. No, I think it's cheaper. I will do review swatches for those two, the Dior and this one, because it looks like same shade that I have. So yeah, guys, go ahead and have this compact blush on to have on your collection if you are a makeup lover. And I guess that's it for my swatches and demo for this. I hope this is helpful for you. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below if you have any suggestion regarding this blush on. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.